The saying goes, the right tool for the right job. Hammer, crowbar, wrench. All good at doing what they're designed to do. All good at doing the job and purpose that they're made for. Then there's this. The Stanley Fatmax Fubar Xtreme 3. This is the Urban Sentinel, and let's get into it. A good tool will always be a plus in any toolbox. Being able to get a job done right and using reliable hardware will give you a sense of satisfaction. Now, real quick, as you can see some of the obvious aspects of this tool: pry bar, pulling nails, separating boards, a large hammerhead mallet, good for some banging and clanging, these gnarly teeth, good for gripping studs and wrenching them loose, and this beak can easily rip through drywall and plaster. It's 30 inches overall, weighs about 9 pounds, and is fairly well balanced. Good solid single piece forged material. Now on the dark side of things, this is a wanted item. Not a need, but a want. In the dusty and dark world of the apocalypse, having a multifunctional tool that can aid and abet you in your survival, that's a must. Now this model has a spot here to handle 1 1/4 to 1 3/4 inch nuts. You can open up fire hydrants with this. It also comes in an forced entry or forcible entry version for $200, but this I picked up for just about under $90. The reason I have it is I did a video about tools for scavenging in SHTF, and I also did a video about scavenging during and a whole SHTF situation. Having a single tool that you can bring with you, that you can pry open doors, break locks, remove boarded up entry areas, smash through walls for an escape, and of course when ammo is at a premium and it's something that you can't afford to waste, a good bell ringer for those knuckleheads that just won't take no as an answer. Whether you live on a small plot of land in the middle of nowhere, a nice suburban community, or you're in a 60-unit apartment building in downtown metropolis city, having options, having something that you can utilize with a little bit of ingenuity and the capability of something like this is something that you should consider. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to solve all of your problems in an SHTF situation. It may cause some of your problems to become unconscious. It may cause some of your problems to become crippled, but that's entirely up to you. What I am saying is just that. I stress having layers, having options, having alternatives. All my videos, I always tell you, keep your options open, have a plan, have a backup plan to that plan, because you never know what the situation may evolve into. And for people that right now are living in restrictive environments where they can't have all of the necessary tools for their protection, for their defense, this is innocuous. Something like this, realistically, no one's going to notice. Behind a sofa, door, under your bed, wherever it is, you have it and it's ready for use, whatever the situation may be. So, it's just something to think about, and I'll catch you in the next one.